Okay, in this video, let's show how to install VirtualBox extension package. This is just for some advanced functions. We need this one, especially for using flash drive, USB 2, USB 3. But anyway, let's do it. You may download it here. To download it, I actually already download this one. You see here, Oracle VirtualBox extension package. How to install it? We basically to open the VirtualBox application, go to File, choose Extension Manager, install extension, download folder, download. Let's find our download folder that is in my username here. Okay, this is our extension package which I download is in my download folder. Click OK and then install. This is license agreement. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you very much.